Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max stuck on setting Apple ID. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, simply first of all restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen here. So guys, assure the internet connection. So for this, open Safari and tap on Google here, and internet is working good. Go back, and the next solution is insert a valid SIM card and eSIM. So after this, try using different Apple ID. So the next solution is update your iPhone or restore iOS. So for this, open settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for update. So if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest version, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So after this, go back, tap on general here, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings here. So guys, here you can see guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So guys, simply tap on reset all settings on the right button. So simply after resetting your iPhone. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone stuck on Apple setting Apple ID issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.